Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best stick and poke tattoo kit on the market. The Wormhole Tattoo Hank Poke and Stick Tattoo Kit, Model 103 Takas. Whether you're a beginner looking to learn the traditional art of hand poke tattoos or someone interested in a DIY tattoo experience at home, this kit promises a simple, safe, and effective way to get started. The Wormhole Tattoo Kit is designed with ease of use in mind. Unlike complex coil machines that require adjustments and technical know-how, this manual tattoo pen requires no tuning. You simply install the needle, and you're ready to start tattooing. Its traditional hand stab method means you have full control over your design, making it a great choice for beginners and tattoo enthusiasts who appreciate the classic technique. Inside the kit, you'll find everything needed to get going. A manual tattoo pen, a set of tattoo ink caps with a base, transfer papers, a 1-ounce bottle of black tattoo ink, multiple tattoo needles and nipple covers, a pair of disposable gloves, a grip cover wrap, a blank practice sheet, and even waterproof disposable tattoo table covers. Plus, the kit includes a detailed manual to guide you step by step, making it beginner-friendly and easy to understand. One of the standout features is the quality of the needles. Made from high-grade stainless steel, each needle is individually packaged and inspected under a microscope to ensure sharpness and safety. This attention to detail is crucial, especially since the safety of manual tattooing depends on hygienic and reliable equipment. The manual tattoo pen itself features 3 buckles and a fixed point to stabilize the needle, preventing it from slipping during use. The grip cover wrap adds another layer of security and comfort, so you can maintain precision without worrying about the needle moving unexpectedly. This kit is ideal for creating simple patterns, letters, numbers, and line work. It also works well for touching up or restoring fading tattoos. For larger or more intricate designs, Wormhole recommends their coil machine or electric tattoo pen kits, but for traditional stick and poke art, this kit covers the basics beautifully. Safety is a top priority with this kit. Users are advised to sterilize all needles and equipment before each use, use needles only once, and dispose of them properly in designated sharps containers. The package also emphasizes maintaining a clean workspace and wearing disposable gloves during the process. While this kit is great for beginners, it's recommended to get some guidance or training if you're new to tattooing, especially to avoid any complications. Overall, the Wormhole Tattoo Hank Poke and Stick Tattoo Kit 103 Takas is a complete, thoughtfully assembled package that makes traditional tattooing accessible, affordable, and safe. Its simplicity and quality components give beginners the confidence to try hand-poke tattoos with minimal hassle, while still maintaining professional-grade standards. If you're interested in exploring the art of stick and poke tattoos, this kit might just be the perfect place to start. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews and guides. See you next time.